So I saw someone creating this cinematic title animation in Premiere Pro. So I thought, why not create this in KineMaster? So let's create this cinematic title animation in KineMaster. So open your KineMaster application now, and now create a new project and choose 16:9 ratio. So now go to image option and choose a black background. So now go to the layer option and add your text. So I am adding cinematic title text here. So after that, go to the font option and choose the font. So I am choosing Roboto regular font here. So after that, go to the text option and you can see there is a character option and increase its value. So I am keeping here about 30. So now let's add an effect here. So go to the layer option and effect, and at the end you can find there is a basic effects. So now add Gaussian blur. So make the blur effect on the text only. So after that, go to the setting option and keep in mind that the value should be 2. So after that, go to the shape option and you can choose the second one and increase the feather value. So in this way you have to adjust the blur effect. So after that, select the text layer and you can see there is a in animation. So keep fade in animation and choose 0.5 speed, and similarly out animation as fade and choose the speed of 0.5. So let's animate the blur effect here. So at 1 second, split the blur effect here. So at the end of 1 second, split the blur effect again. So now you can delete the middle blur effect part. So after that, go to the first and select out animation to fade. Similarly, go to the in blur effect. So now choose in animation to fade for this. So you can see that our animation look like this for now. So now let's increase little length of this ending effect here. So now let's export the video. So to create another text part, you can edit this text and add another text here. So in this way you can export the video and create another text. So after exporting the video, now create a new project. So after that, add a background. So I'm adding the background here, and you can trim off the extra part of the background. So after that, go to the starting and go to the layer option. Now add the recently created animation here. So after that, you scroll down and find the blending option. And choose the blending mode to screen. Now select the animation layer and you can add a key animation here and add one key at the end. Now make the layer fit to the screen. So you can increase the size of the layer to fit in the screen. Now similarly add another animation. So now let's add a cinematic bar. So go to the layer option and sticker option and add cinematic opening. You can download this asset from the store. So you can find this asset in the frame section of the sticker. So you can download it and use it. So in this way you can easily create cinematic title animation as Premiere Pro in KineMaster. So if you like my video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching.